Imagine a computer that fits in the palm of your hand but can crush a high-end workstation. Most people think budget Mac means a compromise. They think it means slower speeds and fewer features. But Apple just leaked something that changes everything. The era of the cheap, weak Mac is officially dead. Apple didn't just update the Mac Mini, they turned it into a weapon. They are calling it the M5 Mac Mini, but insiders have a different name for it, the Mac Studio Killer. If you are a creator, a student, or a professional, you need to pay attention. This tiny box is about to start a hostile takeover of the entire desktop market. Apple is moving away from the affordable label and stepping into pure power. They are positioning this 5-inch block to be the center of their entire universe. If you thought the jump to the M4 was a big deal, you haven't seen anything yet. The leaks coming out of the supply chain are wild. Internal documents, codenamed J873, show a massive shift in how Apple views its hardware. They aren't treating the Mini as an afterthought anymore. This is a moment of architectural maturity. The M5 chip is built on TSMC's enhanced N3P process. This is the second generation of 3nm technology. It isn't just about putting more parts on a chip. It is about how those parts talk to each other. We are looking at lower latency and better power management than ever before. But the real headline isn't just about raw speed. It is about intelligence. For the first time, Apple is putting AI processing directly into the GPU cores. Usually, AI tasks stay in the neural engine. Now, that workload spreads across the whole graphics pipeline. This creates a 3.5x jump in AI performance. If you edit 8K video or build AI models, this changes your life. It turns a render that takes minutes into one that takes seconds. You can run massive AI tasks locally on your desk. No more paying for cloud servers. No more worrying about privacy. Your data stays on your desk. Let's look at the design because this is where the leaks get spicy. Most people thought Apple would keep the M4 shell for years. But there is a secret thermal redesign hidden inside the M5. On the outside, it is a sleek aluminum brick. On the inside, it is a beast. There is a new pressure-driven intake system. It pulls cool air from the bottom and shoots heat out vertically. Why do this? Because the M5 chip runs hotter and faster than anything we've seen in a small box. They are using 3D stacked chip designs. This separates the CPU and GPU onto different levels to keep them cool. This means you can push the M5 Mac Mini for hours. You won't hear loud fans during your podcasts. You won't see your computer slow down because it got too hot. It stays at peak performance while remaining silent. This is a level of engineering usually reserved for expensive towers. Under the hood, even the base model is a monster. It is rumored to have a 10-core CPU focused on performance. Early whispers say it has a 20% jump in multi-threaded speed over the M4. Everything feels faster. Apps open instantly. Multitasking is seamless. But the Pro tier is the real disruptor. Reports say the M5 Pro and M5 Max might share a unified silicon design. This allows the Mac Mini to hit 400 gigabytes per second of memory bandwidth. That speed used to cost thousands of extra dollars. Now, it's in a box that fits under your monitor. If you are a photographer with thousands of raw files, or a music producer with 100 instruments, the wall between entry-level and Pro is gone. Connectivity is also taking a massive leap. Thunderbolt 5 is coming to the Pro lineup. We are talking about 120 gigabits per second. At that speed, external drives are as fast as internal ones. You can run three 6K displays at 120 Hz from one tiny box. Think about that. A budget Mac can now power a professional wall of monitors without breaking a sweat. This brings up a huge question. What happens to the Mac Studio? The Studio might have to become something completely different to stay relevant. The Mini is becoming the default choice for almost everyone on Earth. This shift is also about manufacturing. By using a single massive chip design for the Pro and Max tiers, Apple is making production cheaper and better. This is how they keep the price at $599 while leaving Windows PCs in the dust. Think about a custom PC builder. They try to offer value at every price. But how do you compete with a box that uses less power than a light bulb but renders faster than a liquid-cooled tower? You can't. Apple is leaning into its efficiency superpower. The electricity cost stays low. Your room stays quiet. And your work gets done faster. It's almost like they are cheating the system. This isn't just a technical shift, it's a cultural one. The Mac Mini was always the hidden Mac. You tucked it behind a screen or under a desk. Now, it's the star of the show. Students don't need to save for years to get a workstation. They can buy a Mini and have a studio-grade setup on day one. Production houses are buying fleets of these instead of giant towers. Apple has decided that budget is a bad word. They want every machine they sell to be a powerhouse. The M5 Mac Mini is the distilled expression of everything Apple Silicon has been working toward. It forces the entire industry to catch up or die out. Advanced AI and massive memory bandwidth aren't just for the elite anymore. They are for everyone. This 5-inch slab of aluminum is redefining the desktop computer. It is a workstation that refuses to be ignored. It is a partner in your creative process. It is the future. In my opinion, this is the smartest move Apple has made in a long time. By making the entry-level machine this powerful, they force everyone to innovate. They are even forcing themselves to make the Mac Studio truly alien, to justify its higher price. That only benefits us as users. If you want a computer that stays fast and capable. Until 2030, the M5 Mac Mini is the answer. It is rare to see a product that feels like a genuine leap forward, but this is it. It's quiet, it's small, and it's more powerful than most people can imagine. The leaks suggest we are in for a wild ride in 2026. Apple is clearly done playing it safe. They are ready to dominate the desktop once and for all. This is the machine we have been waiting for. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the tech that's changing the world. My best opinion. The M5 Mac Mini isn't just a computer, it's a market reset. For years, users had to choose between affordable and powerful. Apple is proving that with vertical integration and 3D chip stacking, you can have both. The inclusion of neural accelerators in the GPU is the secret sauce that will make Windows AI PCs look primitive. If the $599 starting price holds, this will be the most important piece of hardware Apple has released since the original M1. It's a total win for the consumer.